Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of May 3rd, 2024. Here are some upcoming events. Teacher Appreciation Week starts next Monday, May 6th until Friday, May 10th.
Hey guys, I just want to say thank you for those of you who have already turned in your donation for Teacher Appreciation Week. It's next week, by the way. There is still time if you haven't, so stuff those envelopes and either put my name on it or Cooper's. Thank you.
On Thursday, May 16th, we are celebrating the annual Get Your Green On campaign. This campaign aims to raise awareness by creating visible support and fostering safe spaces to talk openly about mental health and trauma. To show your support, please wear green. Kindergarten moving up ceremonies will be on May 24th in the elementary cafeteria. 5th grade moving up ceremonies will be on May 17th, also in the elementary cafeteria. 8th grade moving up ceremony is Wednesday, May 22nd at 6 p.m. at Santa Lucia's High School. Senior graduation, Friday, May 24th, 6 o'clock p.m., also at Santa Lucia's High School. That's located at 6880 Lawrence Road in Lantana. Here are the elementary fast testing dates. May 7th is 5th grade reading. May 8th, 4th grade reading. May 9th, 5th grade math. May 14th, 5th grade science. May 15th, 4th grade math. May 16th, 3rd grade math.
Hi, PBMA families. It's Mrs. Smith, your elementary principal. We've had a very busy week here at the Maritime Academy. Our 3rd graders took their fast reading test. Our K-3 students are working on their STAR reading and math. Next week, we've got 4th and 5th grade reading and 5th grade math. Students, please come prepared. I'm looking forward to seeing all of your growth. Thank you.
Our PBMA yearbook will be on sale until the end of the school year. The yearbook covers grades kindergarten through 12. The yearbook is now $55 a copy. Yearbooks are only for sale in either main office. Wednesday was Principal Appreciation Day. Thank you to Mrs. Smith and Ms. Stone for everything they do to make PBMA a fantastic place for everyone.
Ms. Smith, we really appreciate you, and with you, we have nothing to worry about, just like Wimberley. Thank you for being such an awesome principal.
Go!
We appreciate you and we love you, Mrs. Smith! Cheese!
All library books are now due. Charges will be placed on your student's account for any books not returned. Please call the school to pay for any missing or ruined books. Let's take a look at what's happening in our STEM and maritime classes. In maritime science, students are talking about animal classifications. They are learning how to tell marine mammals from fish and invertebrates from vertebrates. Students are working in teams to make a poster about the different types of animals. Students in STEM class this week learned about the classification of animals also, and they are using Legos to build an animal habitat for vertebrates or invertebrates. Here's Ms. Fisher with some exciting news.
Hey PBMA, it's Miss Fisher over here at the elementary school. I'm the art teacher over here, and over the past couple of weeks we've been focusing on an artist named Romero Brito. He lives in Miami, and I had an opportunity to go this weekend and meet him in Miami. So the kids are really excited. We've been learning all about him, and we even had him sign a copy of some of their artwork. So we're super excited. The kids are excited. So ask them about Romero Brito, and maybe they can tell you some stuff about him that you didn't know. Here are some of our student artworks. So we're very excited that we got to meet an artist that we've studied, and we're super excited. So it was a great experience. Thanks, and keep making that art.
Mrs. Racker's kindergarten class used marshmallows and toothpicks to make shapes. Here's Miss Wilmont and the Beta Club.
Hi, it's the Beta Club. We're here to remind you to keep on donating your shoes. And for every shoe you donate, you get a gummy.
And middle schoolers, you get Takis.
Don't delay, donate today.
And finally, here are the Sharks of the Month celebrating their accomplishments by enjoying popcorn with the principal. Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you're always informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper. Thanks for watching. And remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.